A lot has been said about the proposed FGUA North Fort Myers disposal injection well. It's complex and confusing, so we thought we'd explain it to you. Our Del Prado water reclamation plant produces high-quality reusable wastewater, water good enough to put on lawns, irrigate parks and golf courses, and in our case, recharge the aquifer, which can supply drinking water. We currently send as much of this water as possible directly from the plant to reclaimed water customers for irrigation, including the city of Cape Coral. Our customers pay to treat that water, and we don't want to waste the valuable resource. During extreme rainfall periods, we have too much of a good thing, so we're building this well to ensure that this resource is disposed of properly and wisely. In this way, we dispose of the water, but we aren't wasting it, and instead, we're benefiting the environment. It isn't rocket science, but it is environmental science. There are several aquifers under Southwest Florida. The freshest is the Mid-Hawthorne Aquifer. It's less than 200 feet down and provides the area with a source of fresh water. Beneath that are saltier aquifers known as the Lower Hawthorne and Upper Swanee aquifers at about 600 to 1,000 feet down, and the Ocala Aquifer at about 1,200 feet down. The water in these aquifers is referred to as brackish, and while this water can be used for drinking, it costs much more to treat it to remove the salt. Between these aquifers are layers of clay and rock. They are called confining units. They keep the various aquifers separated and provide natural protection between them. Then there's the Avon Park Aquifer. It begins at about 1,600 feet below ground. We plan to inject our highly treated water into the upper portion of the Avon Park Aquifer between 1,600 and 1,800 feet. That is 2 aquifers and 3 confining layers below ground. We're proposing to put our highly treated reclaimed wastewater in the Avon Park Aquifer, which is not an acceptable source of drinking water, to help recharge this area with better water while lowering project costs. The new well is a backup to an existing 2,500-foot well and will only be used as needed, mostly during extreme rain events. The well project is required to meet environmental regulations and does not interfere with any other water users. Natural tidal action has more influence on the aquifers than our highly treated reclaimed water will. Better still, it doesn't waste this valuable resource. It's good for the environment and customers and good stewardship of all our resources.